So today my 10-year-old daughter is going to drive the car. And this car is a stick shift 6-speed transmission, manual transmission. Now when I was 8 years old, I started driving car. That was a manual transmission. So I believe my daughter is old enough now to drive this car. So she's going to drive in first, second, and maybe even third. So we'll see how that goes. Okay, are you all ready, Shoshana?
Yeah.
Okay, what are you going to do first?
Put in clutch.
You're going to clutch. You're going to clutch. And you are going to put it in first gear, and you're going to slowly let out the clutch to the friction.
Let go of the brake?
Yeah, and you're going to let go of the brake first. You're going to let out the clutch to the friction point and hold it there. Hold it right there. Very good. Just hold it right there. Okay, and now take your foot right off the clutch. Off the clutch. And now you can accelerate.
Oh.
Very good. Okay, now go around the corner.
Cut. Show them a picture of like where we're driving.
Just
resume.
Okay, now go straight and keep close to the curb. Yeah, you got that. Very good. Okay, now did you want to shift into second?
No.
Okay, that's fine. Keep on going then, and we'll shift later.
Okay, I'll shift into second.
You do it with the clutch. Remember, you always clutch. Now let out the clutch slowly.
Am I in second?
You're in second. Slowly. Slowly.
How it go now?
Okay, Shoshana. You are 11 years old, and it's time to take your first driving lesson. Or one of your first.
Be my first.
Okay, I drove when I was 8 years old, so I think it's prime time for you to take your driving lessons. So, do you remember what I told you before about driving? Friction point and all that sort of thing?
Yeah.
Where the throttle is, where the brake is, the clutch, the shifter. This car has a 6-speed stick. Remember how to drive that?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, good. Okay, when you're ready, let's go. Oh, first of all, put on your seat belts.
Do I brake first before I put into first gear?
You can hold the brake, but you do have an emergency brake on right now. So you can release the emergency brake if you like. Oh, your brake is on. Take your brake off. Pull up. Up and down. Press the button and pull up. Now down.
This is scary.
Okay, here we go. Okay, so you can drive around the parking lot.
Drive the car.
Stay near the edge of the property.
I'm scared.
Okay, very good. Okay, you want to go a little faster? Oh, take your foot off the clutch, please. Okay, just go ahead.
How do I go faster?
Press on the throttle. Okay, go around. Nobody's in that car. And stay near the edge. Okay. Okay, did you want to try and shift into second gear?
No.
Okay, you can shift on the way out. Thing going. Okay, it's time to shift into second gear. You need a little bit more speed. Wind it out a bit. Wind it out. And now shift into second with the clutch, with the clutch. Very good. Now let out the clutch and go. Let out the clutch and go. And you see you go quite a bit faster now. You want to shift into third? Shift into third now. Shift to third. Clutch, clutch. Very good. Always use the clutch when you shift. Okay? Okay, now do you want to downshift? Downshift it back into second. Clutch, clutch, clutch. Clutch. Yeah, we'll just wait. Okay, take your corner. Now, I want you to downshift it into second gear. Clutch. Good. Now let out the clutch and go. Good. Around the corner. Okay. First gear, second gear, and third gear. You're coming along just fine. All right. You all ready to post this?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay. Coming along good. You'll be all ready to get your beginner's permit when you're 15. Okay, you can just stop here, clutch and brake. And take it out of gear. And let out the clutch and set your emergency brake. Very good. Good job. All right. Give me a high five. Okay.